What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Savile Row. Can't even help it. Simpson, Duke 3. I just automatically say Savile Row. We're going with How to Grow a Mustache Gondolier, or Gondola, as I say. Gondola. And we're going with a Merkur 39C, the Sledgehammer, with a crystal blade in it. And you guys that use these things, you're out of your minds. These things are dangerous. Gonna open the package. Almost killed myself. Alright, let me load up the Simpson. Not the Savile. Sorry, I'm running around like a nut lately. Million things to do. Honing. Having a blast doing it. We need a little water here. There we go. I haven't used this in a while. I don't even know. Does Phoenix carry... is Phoenix doing gondola? Gondolier? Gondola? It should be enough. We'll see. My face wet? Yeah, it's wet enough. I can't even remember the last time I used a DE. Get ready for a bloodbath. Nice scent. I love the scent of this stuff. We can wetten it up a little bit. All right, we're good. I got 911 on speed dial. All right. The Sledgehammer. Let's see how we do here. I always like crystals. We're bleeding. These things are dangerous. How do you guys use these things? All right. Let's have at it. Alrighty. The money pass. Eh. All right, let me do my touch up. All right. Hope everybody's doing good. Yeah. All right, let me rinse off. Let me do a cold rinse. How long did that take? Not long. All right, we went with Merkur 39C, the Sledgehammer. We went with How to Grow a Mustache, Gondola, with the Merkur had a crystal blade in it. We went with Simpson, Duke 3 Tree. And we're going to finish it off with How to Grow a Mustache, Gondola. This is the alcohol-based one. There's two. So, oh, you know what? Let me throw it on. Might as well throw some on. All right, not bad. I don't know how you guys use these things. These things are dangerous. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great weekend. It's Friday. It's the weekend. Be careful out there.